Should the markets be getting a speeding ticket? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Friday, the 20th of 20th of August. And man, these markets are moving fast. They are going up and down like a yo-yo. But in the meantime, that is what you expect in the summertime blues, the summertime trade. The lack of real volume, the lack of real activity continues to force these markets up and down on light volume, because anytime there's a bigger order, they push them around. That's what it is. In the meantime, this update is brought to you by our friends at Tradier Brokerage. And of course, we have many brokers, but Tradiers are preferred for equities and options because they're $10 a month. That should be enough to convince anybody. But if that doesn't help you, we've got their APIs, which allows us to automate the equity portfolio models at no charge. They are part of your membership. There is an extra fee for the hedging, because hedging is a class, not a membership. But in the meantime, again, we have the ability to automatically trade the account based on our parameters and based on our recommendations. So either way, it's up to you, but Tradier is a great partner, and they got great customer service as well. So the Dow is up 200. The Nasdaq's up 150. The S&P's up 28. We are long all three of those. The Russell's up 140. We are short that one. Okay, but it's been pretty good overall, right? Pretty good mix. All right. Crude oil is down about 50 cents. It was down, almost $1.50, $1.70 before reversing and coming back. But again, we are short crude, which is all good. Okay, the dollar is higher, and we are long, which is always a good thing. The metals continue to do nothing. Gold down about $2 at the moment. It could be anywhere. Silver is still the biggest pig out of all of them. It is still extremely weak. Platinum is catching a nice bounce this morning, but still under the 1,000 level, which is not a good position to be in. And we're still short, obviously, all of the metals. Of course, platinum we're not short because we don't trade it, but we would be. Okay. Copper is bursting higher today after trading under $4 yesterday. We're still short copper, and again, still in pretty good shape. Nat gas is a little bit higher. We're still long. And the bonds and notes are basically flat. Okay. There's nothing of note on either side of those right now. They're just kind of churning and waiting, and probably will do so until Jackson Hole shows up, which is Wednesday. I guess Tuesday, Wednesday, or whatever the schedule is for that. And in the grain markets, you've got corn lower, beans lower, wheat lower. We are short beans and long everything else. Again, this is what's happening in the grain markets. Is just very quickly moving up and down, going nowhere. But if they push far enough to turn us, that's always the issue of, when we call a crappy consolidation pattern. In the protein complex, feeders are virtually unchanged, slightly lower. Fats are unchanged. Hogs are slightly higher. We're long cattle, short hogs. And the softs, cotton is higher. We're long. Coffee is lower. We're long. We're long them all. I'll say that again. Sugar lower. Cocoa lower. OJ higher. So it's, again, another mixed picture, which is, again, kind of what you expect this time of year. I would not get, too crazy one way or the other. I would simply just, again, mind your P's and Q's, as they say, or pints and quarts, and be prepared. Okay. Never be surprised. Always be prepared. And these markets, we day traded this morning, made up to 3 trades, depending on which ones you might have taken. At worst, it was break even. At best, it was a nice day. So either way, again, there is action to be had if you know what you're doing and you're prepared to do so. In the meantime, don't forget about our other brokerage partner, which is CTG, Capital Trading Group, and that's for futures and commodities. Listen, they're the only ones I vetted to do my letter of direction trading. And I do have other futures brokers, but they're the only ones I'm allowed for my letter of direction trading. They trade all my accounts. They've got some terrific managed futures products, so check them out. info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And, of course, our brand new sponsor, SWP Cayman, that's metals, okay, physical metals, for all those who've always asked me. Well, this is who I use, okay? And they are a great team. If you want to check them out, go to swpcayman.com /Bubba-trading. That's swpcayman.com/Bubba-trading. Check them out. That's my preferred source for physical metals. And Family Farms, they've got a lot of great things which I'll be putting out for you, for all you farmers out there. But they really can help you do a better job of what you're doing. And they've got a lot of help and a lot of things that you can put yourself in a better position by using Family Farms. And our commodity report written by Andy Hecht, as I tell you all the time, technical. If you're a commodities trader and you're not reading this report, go see a doctor immediately because you're making a big mistake. Go to BUBBATrading.com. It's called Technimental. And of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/BubbaTrading. That's patreon.com/BubbaTrading. And we'll see you all on Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line. And of course, Monday with another update. In the meantime, have a great weekend. Be careful. These markets are a challenge. We'll see you on Monday, everybody. Have a great weekend.